If we run every day and practice running, then what benefits will come to our body? There are many people who are not able to exercise in the middle of the day. They can practice running for 30 to 1 hour per day. And those who cannot do other difficult exercises or feel boring doing other difficult exercises, they can only keep their body fit by doing this one exercise or this running practice. So please watch this video completely. If we practice running, what happens before that is the change in the muscles of our feet, or muscles of our feet. That is, all the muscles of our feet are fresh, strong, and the muscles of the feet that are lying on the ground are renewed. Not only that, but the muscles of other parts of the body, along with the feet, are also released for the function of breathing as a result of running, which is our muscular body balance. If we talk about the second number of benefits of running, it can be seen that as a result of running, the growth hormone of our body increases. As a result of running, the energy that comes to our body increases the growth hormone from it. As a result, our physical growth decreases, that is, it helps the person to grow taller. This growth hormone also helps the other tissues of the body to grow. As a result, as high as possible, that is, a person can increase the capacity of his body. Running is very important for every person to make his brain powerful. We all know that how strong our brain has to be, and why only students? It is very important for every one of us to have a powerful brain. So it is very important to practice running from the student's life to have a powerful brain. 5. When we run, our heartbeat goes out. Even if a person is scared or tensed, the heartbeat increases, but it is not a loss. But due to the increase in the heartbeat due to running, the blood of our body is released in the entire body in a very fast speed, and all the nutrients released through the blood are released in various parts of our body. As a result, the blood of our body is released in different parts of the body. 6. As a result of running, our heart or heartbeat is also good. The rate of heart attack decreases a lot. You will definitely know that the rate of heart attack has increased a lot in our body. In this case, daily running helps to give salvation to all the diseases of our heart. But it is very important to keep an eye on how much time is needed during running practice. Like, 1. If you practice running for the first time, but after a while you will definitely feel tired. In this way, your body will grow well.